Hey guys, it's me, Lutic3, and today I'm with Darcy. I gotta go pee.
Me too.
Yeah, and today we're gonna be reacting to the greatest diss track ever. I stand with Misha, Leafy, Pyrocynical, Rice Gum. Yeah, basically, let me set the towels. Let me just explain what this video is about. This video is about, like, basically Billy the Fridge has had enough with every YouTube channel. He's gonna roast them in this video. Every YouTube channel is gonna get roasted. Let me just tell you that. Everyone. So let's just watch it. Alright, let's do this. Alright, let's start the video.
You are now about to witness the stretch of kids' knowledge.
Yeah, right. Into this ass whooping.
Let's just start it off with, just look at this. Look at this guy. Look at his face. Look at this guy's face. And he has a glazed donut as a necklace. And just look how he's like, yeah, I'm gonna kill you. He looks like the guy who's who will strangle you. Yeah, a fat rapist who strangles you in the middle of the night with a bacon, like a strip
with a piece of bacon.
Yeah, like what the frick?
Your ass looking like you can get your shoes, phone, and your cash crooked. You cash crooked. You got little kids crying.
Yeah, I'm crying right now from your lyrics. I mean, jeez. Once again, look at that rapist face. Even the kid's crying from the rapist face.
YouTube's the few views up in your biz line. Meme star, your memes are really not the freshest. You retweets the repeat, really fucking.
Wait. What? Wait.
So that's the one that's fat.
Wait.
Views up in your biz
Hold on, wait.
Meme star, your memes
Hold on,
are
wait.
really not the freshest.
Go back. When he's like, really precious.
Retweets the repeat, really fucking precious.
Wait, what's going on in the freaking background? He's just.
So that's the one that has a piece of bacon around it.
Okay, I have no idea why I put this on, but, okay. Back to the video.
What you call my boy Alex, beg your pardon, Holmes? We about
I will admit, he did pretty good with the Keemstar thing.
Django and the chain is Jordan, though.
Yeah, man, yeah, I can agree with that. Look at Leafy. Yeah, look at there's weed everywhere. And look at this guy's face. Oh, he's hiding the chin. He's doing the chin thing. And look at Leafy. He's just smoking some weed. He's gonna smoke the 2 blunts hanging out of his nose, guys. That's how much Billy the Savage King. This is what Billy the Savage King can do.
Hanging out this roast. These fists will never miss. Keep dissing little kids, bitch. I'm the one who hisses.
Oh, he's the one who hisses. If you're applying yourself as a snake, you see, Billy, you can't hiss because snakes hiss. Now you see, snakes are skinny. You are not.
Not that.
It looked like it's like Gandhi and Obama. Yeah, that was from a Leafy video. I remember that.
I'm the one who knocks. Boy, you better answer. But go up your ass so far it might just cure the cancer.
Wait. Was he wearing his... Wait. Hold on a minute. Was he wearing socks? He's wearing socks. He's wearing socks.
Oh my god.
He's wearing socks to top off the glazed donut around a necklace. He's got a freaking sock on.
Pair of socks on during the video.
This guy's total savage. I just have to say that. Alright, back to the video. Toss you out like broken
trash.
Okay, broken plastic.
Okay.
Yeah, you could have used something a better line than broken plastic, but hey man, I mean
metaphor.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you're first so dope with your lines. Now you just aren't even trying, Billy. Billy the Fridge, more like Billy the Fag.
Your next face reveal about to be an open casket.
Okay, open casket. Really great line, dude. Really? Really? He's making a remix of this kid's cancer video about him telling everyone that about like him calling people cancer when his video's cancer. Okay, Billy. You're probably gonna get loads of dislikes, but I don't care. You're still the rap king. Next, Tupac. Look at his. What is he even doing?
Dad.
Look. I think I know what he's doing. Remember when we were. Okay, sorry about that. But you know how like we were saying that guy was a rapist?
Yeah. Well,
I know what he's doing with that dance news. He means like he's tearing that ass in half and fixing to. Okay, I'm not going into detail. But one more thing I gotta mention though. Look at Cancer Boy's eyes. He's like swimming away from the he's trying to swim away from the wave of hate. That's not gonna go so well, Billy the fag. He dabbed. Dude, he dabbed. He dabbed.
This is coming in the future.
Yep,
Yeah.
dab. Yeah, I don't know why though. I think Billy the freaking fridge is just trying to be in the cool. I mean, he mentions Harambe like 17 times in a video. Yeah, I know, Harambe is the new cool now. But dude, he mentions it like 16 times. Jeez. Yeah, I mean, jeez, dude. You don't have to mention it like 17 times. Okay, back to the video. Oh my gosh, he's going for pyro now. Oh my gosh, stuff's gonna happen. Rape his face.
I grow cynical, why so critical? If I'm so pitiful, take my rhyme so literal. I'm a stone cold.
You're a stone cold killer. Yeah, I believe that you're a killer, but more like a rapist killer. A rapist killer.
Okay, go back.
I'm not talking about these two faces right here. I'm talking about the freaking one in the middle. Jesus Christ.
Go back.
Okay, what?
Go back. Okay, you hit play. Okay, watch. Just watch this. What? No, play.
Pitiful, take my rhyme so literal.
Pause. Dude, look at him.
What the frick?
I'm sorry, I just can't.
It looks like the chick from my 600
pound life.
600-pound life.
I will never get that image out of my head.
And what the frick are the guys beside him? Oh, those are his homies.
One of them looks like
I'm guessing that they're not they're not the cool. They're outcast.
They be high.
They be high.
You a fuzzball.
Oh my gosh, she just called out Pyro as a Furby. We need to put this out on Drum Alert now.
No.
Like now. Wait, hold on a minute. How many times have people said that he was a furry? Oh, this ain't news anymore.
I give a fuck all y'all fuck boys work. I spank you like your dad's never do. Laugh up in your faces, you two take your ad revenue.
Oh my gosh, he just roasted everyone. Leafy, Pyrocynical, Keemstar, everybody who makes YouTube videos. What the frick? Alright, I need to skip this image. Jesus Christ. Let's just go to the classroom. No! You're not talking crap about rice gum. You freaking... Alright. Okay. I had enough with you, Billy the Fridge. I mean...
Now you're gonna talk about rice
Billy
gum.
the Fag. Now you're gonna talk about rice gum? Oh my gosh.
This guy's dumb. He ain't got no muscles. You should go and buy some. Cause when I come, I'ma drop kick the chop.
Wait, this is kind of racist.
It really is.
Yeah, just because he's Asian, he's gonna put an Asian fat baby. The frick? How about I just put a regular fat baby, and that'll be you? Is that racist to you? And you're gonna cry about it?
Out his fucking mouth, bitch. Go eat a dog, dick, pop shit. You can take all your L's. Turn them sons of bitch sideways and go fuck yourself.
Oh my Wait, anime? Really? Not every Japanese Asian person likes anime, you freaking retard.
Not even good.
See, exactly, Harambe. You mentioned Harambe too much. Look at his face now. Wait, I see why he's taking it for Misha. Just look. It's because, if you can see, it's because. He also has jacked up teeth, just like the kid. Look.
That's him, my little boy.
Look at his face. He's like, yeah, man. Quit going out for Rice Cup, man. Oh my gosh. Illuminati confirmed. Oh my gosh. ISIS is gonna kill us now. Yeah,
oh
this is
God,
ISIS. Oh my gosh. Wait. Is this real? These are the real ISIS? Are these the real ISIS? I'm not even scared of these guys I'm not scared of ISIS anymore by looking at these guys. Oh. Look at the one on the second one on the left.
Look at the very last one on the right.
I don't even think Billy even knows how to use a gun yet. Please remember to like and subscribe. Body personal comments. You know, guys, I can't take it anymore. I just can't take it more. If Billy the freaking fridge can rap, I think I can too. You're fat. I can't do it.